Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to chat with customer support with Upwork. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to open up my web browser. And now inside Google, I'm going to type in Upwork chat with customer support. And then once you've done that, you want to click on this link here. How do I reach Upwork support? And now, once you're on this page, under Get Help, keep scrolling down, and then under Pro Tip, if you aren't yet an Upwork user or have lost access to log into your Upwork account, you can still get help section, the chat with support button. So click on the customer support button here, scroll down, how can we help? Chat with customer support, chat with support. So you get immediate support by starting a chat. So go ahead and click onto that. And now here you go. So you're going to be speaking to a live customer support agent here. So just put in your issues, and then yeah, that's how to contact customer support for Upwork.